Row 18, plot 20.
Hey everybody, welcome to Now It's Dark. I'm Jim, and I'm doing a Funko Pop Haul unboxing. I almost have a complete set of 6 of the Nightmare Before Christmas trains. There is a train set. Unfortunately, this clown right here must have been super limited, and it's going for like hundreds of dollars on the interweb. So this is a Pop Trains series, and there's quite a few different versions of the trains, different franchises. Like there's Disney villains and there's the Mickey Mouse characters. As you probably noticed, this box is pretty well destroyed. I'm on a bad streak with some boxes, but it probably explains why this was so inexpensive. So I'm actually going to display these out of the box. So we're going to do an unboxing of the boxes. And I probably will not be going to try to purchase the clown. So they're all going to attach to each other, and this does have the swivel head, and I love it. So this was number 11. They're numbered 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. So that is 11. Here is number 10, 0. Our hero 0 on the duck. The duck makes me think of Batman Returns from the Tim Burton, the best Batman movies ever, Michael Keaton. So anytime I see a rubber duck toy, it makes me think of that movie. Here is 0. I think those might be bullet holes. Are those bullet holes? Or are they freckles? What do you guys think? Leave a comment down below. I think those are bullet holes, and this is a dead duck. Does that make sense? That's funny. You go, Disney. So the next one is number 9. We got Oogie Boogie. Well, well, well. What have we here? Santa Claus, huh? Ooh, I'm really scared. So we go to the one everybody's talking about. You're joking. You're smoking. Alright, this one's a little bit heavier. I like the burlap look. There's so many versions of the Oogie Boogie character. He's got his dice. And so he will connect right behind 0. And next is number 8, Sally and a black cat. I love it. So I have a black cat, for those of you who may be new to the channel. This box is in great shape. I feel bad for opening it. Yes, I have a black cat. Her name is Lucifer. We call her Lucy for short. There is Sally. I don't know if her face translates as well in this Funko Pop. Meow. It's missing a wheel. God, I thought I heard something when I put the box down. Gosh darn it. I am just having the worst luck. And of course it's on the front. Look at that. Well, I am the master of glue. I'll glue that. Alright, now here is the biggest leader of the pack. This is Jack Skellington, number 7. He is the engineer of the Nightmare Before Christmas train. This was a little bit more expensive because this is considered a like a double, like a 2-pack. I think I got a good deal on all these other ones. I may have used Black Friday specials. I can't remember. I love this purple. I love the wheels aren't completely, round. This has some good weight to it too. But that's Jack. So let me know what you think of these, and discount the box damage and the product damage. But just in general, if you're a Nightmare Before Christmas fan, do you have these? Hey, if you've got that clown and you want to sell it really cheap, leave a comment down below. Otherwise, enjoy the rest of your day, and do not have any happy holidays. Bah humbug.
So have your dream. Go on and sing your song. There's nothing wrong with singing out of tune. If people laugh and say your dream can never be, just think of me.